Here we are at the Richmond Rod and Gun Club today, and I'm going to do a little bit of practice. This first couple of runs here on this stage are going to practice mainly reloads. I'm going to reload every single time I'm moving, and I've got my Glocks out here today. It's a Glock 34 and 9mm with the Lone Wolf barrel so that I can shoot my lead reloads. And we're going to go over here and see how long it takes me to run through this thing. It was already set up from the match from Sunday, and I didn't quite set it up exactly the same. There's a few things here that are similar, but I'm probably going to start it off differently. So I'm going to load and make ready. And the way that I'm going to do this is to Barney one, load one in the chamber plus a full 10-round magazine for 11 rounds in the gun. And the way I'm going to start is over here, heels facing the platform, and here we go. .01 is the time. Unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. 30.01 for the very first round here. 25 rounds. That's a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to load and make ready. Barneying one again. And this magazine with 9 rounds, that's going in my last pouch. If I was doing this right, I would have an extra magazine. So there I have 11 in the gun at the start, and then I have 4 magazines, one of which has the 9 rounds on it. So here we go, run number 2. .3084. So unload and show clear. Again, the time here is 30.84. About the same as the last one. Alright, here we go for run 3. Now, hopefully, I'll do a little bit better this time. I've been kind of lazy lately, and I've just been kind of running this one half-ass and not really feeling the need to go fast. Well, the need to go fast, but my brain isn't going fast. That's the problem. So I'm going to load up here and I'm going to try it again. Hopefully go a little faster and whoops. Well, that's not a good sign. Just fumbled my static reload here. That's terrible. But that's how it goes sometimes. So here we go. A lot of this is about your mindset. You really got to get your mind into it right. Alright, so 28.71. Even with my unload and show clear, Hammer down and holster. All right. Even with my bobble there at the beginning, 2871, a little better. So even with my fumbles at the beginning, it was much better to go here and hit the plates first and then hit this target on the way out, because I'm not coming around here hitting this fast and then slowing down. I'm taking the slower targets first, and then on my way out of position, moving and hitting that target. That's a lot better. It's what I meant to do the first 2 times, but you know what they call this little buzzer here? This is the mind eraser. As soon as that beep goes off, as soon as that beep goes off, your plan goes out the window. So, all right, this will most likely be my last run here with the Glock in 9mm. This will be the first run here with the Glock 17. I'll do the exact same thing I did before. Feed 1 round and load the magazine. Now, a word about this, you may have noticed I'm only firing 5 rounds here. Well, anytime you start firing at steel, it's a good idea to top off or Barney, just in case for some reason you don't like the way the sights go and you just start pulling shots left or right. Another reason I was doing this is because when I first thought of shooting this stage, I was going to not reload down this corridor and keep on firing. So that would be 6 steel, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would leave me 1 in the tube, because my thumb holds down this last shot hold open right there. So if I still was left, if I shot it clean, shot all the steel, shot this target and this target, when I do my next transition I would reload and still have 1 in the pipe. So that was the reasoning that I'm loading 11. So let's do it. It's going to be really funny for anybody that comes up here and sees me talking to myself. But anyway. Unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. Not bad. 27-16.